Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Goa on the beach. We've got the Arabian Sea behind us and we're going to be cooking Indian Style Shakshuka. So come on, let's cook. First thing we need to do is get a pan on. I prefer to use cast iron, but this is the only pan I can get. To that we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of oil. We're going to warm this up with a pan and then we're going to get ready to add some onions. When the oil was hot, we're going to add some onions. I've got a bowl of onions here, but I'm going to add approximately what's equal to one chopped onion. Going to fry these off on a medium heat. We don't want any colour on them, we just want them to turn translucent. So how many chilies do you think I'm going to use?
Yeah. But lots of spicy.
Lots of chili.
Yeah. Also spicy also.
Yeah.
That's why pepper is okay.
Yeah.
It's good taste also.
Yeah.
Good taste.
This is Raj, the local chef. He's from Nepal and he cooks some amazing food. After approximately 5 minutes, when the onions are cooked, we're going to go in with 2 good teaspoons of garlic, chili, and 2 good teaspoons of fresh ginger. And 1.5 teaspoons of chilies. We're going to cook these off for about 2 minutes. And now it's time to add our spices. First in is 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Next up is just a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Next into the pan, we've got 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala. And finally, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We're going to toast these spices off for about a minute so they'll start releasing a nice aroma, and that's what it looks like. Next in, we've got 2 chopped tomatoes. And half a green pepper. You can use a red pepper if you like. So now we're going to cook these off for about 5 minutes until the tomato starts cooking down. After that, we're going to add about 3/4 cup of water. I'm looking for this to cook down. Yeah. That's all. Now to this we're going to add approximately 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Now it's time for the eggs. We're going to take a spoon, we're going to make a well in our mixture and we're going to crack 4 eggs in. For those of you who want to know the exact location, this is Bayview Shack on Candleland Beach. Be sure to pop down and see the boys. They'll make you more than welcome and cook you some fabulous food as well. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. All you've got to do is hit that subscribe button below. All our eggs are in now, and all we've got to do is just let them cook away until you get the perfect finish that you like. To finish this dish off now, we're just going to sprinkle with a bit of fresh coriander. Season the eggs with some salt, and that's it. That's Dutch's Indian Style Shakshuka cooked on the beach. Oh my word, was it hot.